Welcome back, viewers. It's me, Gabe. Welcome back from school and have having a good holiday. So today I'm going to be building my version of a Formula One racing car with these random Lego pieces. So let's begin. First, begin with the foundation because every car needs a strong foundation to reinforce it. Also these other discs to make it even stronger. And now for this piece. Some of you might recognize this same piece from my dragon, the fire breath, and this part was the claw. But now I'm not using it in my car for like these flames use like a boost, like a just boost in a middle of a race. Now let's go down to these tires. Now we attach them, and this piece here, zero discs here, another one here. There we go. Here we go again. And now for the final piece, right on top here. Like so. And for the final one, the Lego driver. First raise the hands up just a little bit and put him right here. And just like that, you've built your Lego car. So, I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends. Goodbye.